Hey there, Lincoln here from bullacademy.org. Today let's talk about SoFi's newest analyst price rating, and that would be a $30 buy rating by Rosenblatt, a stock market analyst. Rosenblatt is the second market analyst to give SoFi a buy rating or any rating at all, after its SPAC merger just over 2 weeks ago. SoFi's first analyst coverage came on June 1st by Oppenheimer, and they gave it an outperform rating with a $25 price target. That means that SoFi's current consensus price target is $27.50, which is wonderful if you got in on the SPAC at $10 per share, which is why I keep saying that SPACs are a great deal for retail investors because we get to participate in the appreciation of the value of these assets. Unlike anything we ever had a chance to do before with IPOs, we got screwed over on the IPO pop. We can only buy after it's already popped from the night before. So now we get the benefit from the pop because we get to buy in at $10 in the SPAC and then benefit as other investors find out about the great companies that we're investing in. So if anyone's telling you out there that SPACs are crap, well, tell them about SoFi and Tattoo Chef and others, right? There's many companies out there that are very good, and SoFi is one of them. So that's why SoFi is getting these very bullish price targets from these analysts. So this latest rating represented a 19% upside for SoFi stock. At the time the rating came out, SoFi stock was around $20 per share, $21 per share, and today it sits around $23 per share. So it's gone up pretty nicely since this analyst initiated its coverage and said SoFi is a buy. This is great news for investors in SoFi, and I am obviously an investor in SoFi. I'm very bullish in the company. I have over 4,000 shares, and I just recently initiated some options. So I'm trying my hands on options. I'm trying leaps. And I told our patrons at patreon.bullacademy.org at the moment I did it, and I bought options worth thousands of shares in SoFi for 2 years, a year out. So we'll see how it goes, but I'm very bullish in this company. And I'm very happy that analysts are starting to see the value of this company, and especially going forward. If you haven't seen my previous videos on SoFi, you should go watch them. I've covered it in deep details, and I've even broken down the SPAC merger between IPOE, Chamath Palihapitiya SPAC, and SoFi, and how that whole merger worked, including up to the day that the merger was approved and the day that SoFi actually went public and rang the opening bell of the NASDAQ stock exchange. So if you haven't seen any of that, go watch that. But real quick, SoFi is a one-stop shop for millennials and any high earner or anyone out there who has money to save and invest, to go to save their money, spend their money, get a credit card, get a home mortgage, get a personal loan, get a student loan, get a car loan, all the stuff that you need. SoFi has it for you. They want to help you get your money right. That's their slogan. And their CEO, Anthony Noto, was previously the COO and CFO of Twitter. He has been the CFO of the NFL. So he knows what he's doing. He knows money very well. He knows the finances, the fintech industry very well. So our shares are in good hands with Anthony and team. The beauty of SoFi and why I'm so bullish in this company is because they vertically integrate centralized services. That means that they are able to provide all the services that a customer needs to get their money right, and they control the entire process. And of course, they do that through their acquisition of Galileo, a fintech infrastructure company. So Galileo is a financial tech platform that many other fintech companies use, including Robinhood, Chime, Dave, which is going public via SPAC as well, and Moneyline and so many others, right? And Revolut. SoFi knows what it's doing. Galileo is a leader in the space and is going to allow SoFi to benefit from the success of their customers, right? That's Robinhood and Chime and all the other fintech companies that use Galileo. SoFi's Galileo. That shows us that this team, this SoFi team, knows how to pick the right acquisitions that will help them succeed into the future, regardless of how the market is doing. So long as their customers win, they win. So they control the entire stack. And that is wonderful because they get to build the customer experiences that they want and they believe their customers need. And that's their financial services and lending products customers as well as their technology customers. So they are doing everything right so far. Of course, I've also covered what I believe is the greatest risk to this business. And if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. It's very important that you understand. But I believe that they can overcome that. And far into the future, 5-10 years, I believe that they're going to 10x the valuation. But of course, there's no telling. We'll see how they do. But I have great confidence in this team. And these price targets by these analysts give me more confidence. That's all for now. If you enjoyed the video, do me a favor, a big favor, and like the video below, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and comment your thoughts on SoFi and these price targets. Let me know what your price target is. Let me know what your thoughts are on the company. And as always, this video has been brought to you by our patrons at patreon.bullacademy.org. They help the channel keep going by supporting us financially. So if you want to help us keep this channel going, then join us over at patreon.bullacademy.org. You'll be able to engage on a Discord channel where we share knowledge and discuss the stock market in real time every day, and share news and rumors and new investment ideas so that we can all do our own research and then come back together, collaborate, and find better investment opportunities together. And of course, you have a chance to win $200 every month just for being a loyal and engaged patron. So if you're interested in all of that, I hope to see you over at patreon.bullacademy.org. I'm Lincoln with bullacademy.org. Thank you again and have a great day.